Hello. Now let me introduce some of our ready machine to you. Please have a look here. This machine can produce the size from 50.8 to 102 and the thickness from 1 to 2.5 millimeter. Now let's look at the machine details. This is the forming section. And here is the welding section. Here is the cooling section. And here is the sizing section. Here is the cutting machine. So this is the whole machine line. If you are interested in the high frequency welding machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.